Hello, my name is Ken Reed. I'd like to introduce you to the DYO Green Building Decision Kit. This do-your-own Green Building Decision Kit walks you through the topics, products, and technologies involved if you want to make your home or small business building as green and sustainable, resilient, and energy efficient as possible. The kit is comprised of 4 components: a guidebook containing 203 pages of useful information, a workbook of 71 pages to document your decisions, and a series of 24 wall or display pages that provide visual help for a group of people. The 4th component of the Green Building Decision Kit is the Green Building Decision Matrix software, a Microsoft Excel-enabled file. In this introductory video, I will walk you through how to use the entire kit to conduct meetings that focus on your project. Design charrettes have been utilized by larger architectural and engineering firms for many decades, and the origins of the term charrette go back to the 1800s. The intent of this kit is to make design charrettes available and understandable for the owners of residential and small commercial projects that want to include green, sustainable features, products, and technologies. This kit also covers other topics like resilient and green buildings, water conservation, growing organic food, and much more. National residential green programs can require and even offer credit for hosting one or more design charrettes. The guidebook of the Green Building Decision Kit contains 203 pages of useful information on how to guide conversations on green and sustainable topics. A workbook of 71 pages helps you rate or score the importance of every green sustainable topic and subtopic. There are 24 main topics and 261 subtopics that cover the beginning of your project into how to assess progressive options such as adding solar systems or smart products and technologies. A unique component of the Green Building Decision Kit are the display pages that are designed to keep design teams on track of every topic and subtopic. These display pages, also known as wall pages, can be printed on regular standard size paper or on 11 by 17 tabloid size paper to be either taped or thumbtacked to a wall or other vertical surface. The printed display wall pages can assist a speaker or presenter who is standing in front of a group. The 4th component of the Green Building Decision Kit is the Green Building Decision Matrix software, which is a macro-enabled Excel file that has been scanned for viruses. Subsequent videos will go into detail about how each component of the Green Building Decision Kit is used. There will be ongoing sequential videos about the topics and subtopics available on the Design Charrette YouTube channel and also available on DesignCharrette.com website. Thank you for watching. For those of you who want to get started right away, the Green Building Decision Kit is available for purchase and immediate download using the link shown or by visiting DesignCharrette.com. Enjoy your design charrettes and good luck with your projects.